To isolate selection, we have a few things we can do. So first of which, we'll make sure we're in our select tool. We'll make the selection that we would like to isolate. In this case, we'll have these two objects. And what we'll do, we'll invert our selection with Control I. So now everything else that we would like to hide is selected, and now we can just go to the display flag on one of the objects, click it, and then you get to see we have our selection isolated. So to unhide selection, it's a little more tricky. In this case, it's not too bad since we only have two nodes. But here we can go ahead and make the selection and then just show back our hidden objects the same way that we hid them. Now, to have a little more control over this, we can do this either with takes or with bundles. Bundles, in the end, might be easier, but we'll go ahead the take route. So with the take route, we can go up to the top and enable auto takes and just create a new take. Just make a new take here. And essentially a take, this is the pass system, so this allows us to create local overrides per pass. So we can essentially do the same exact thing. So we'll make our selection, invert our selection, then hide the elements we want to hide, and essentially we don't have to worry about unhiding these objects. We can just go back to our original take, and then now everything else is unhidden. And if we want to go back to the previous take where we had these objects isolated, we can go back down to take 2, and we now have that selection or this isolation essentially stored. So that's the take route that you can go. In addition to that, we can use bundles. So if we go ahead and open up our bundle list in any particular pane, we'll just open up our bundle list and create a new bundle. We can add the objects. Essentially, we can do the same thing. So in this case, we'll make our selection, and then we'll invert our selection, add these currently selected objects into the bundle. So we'll go ahead and add these elements to the bundle. So now you get to see they're visible here, and we can just toggle off the visibility. And then when we want to bring those objects back, we can go ahead and toggle that back on. So those are a few methods available to you in order to isolate selection.